Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
I don't care. I'm in my pretty girl era. I'm a stare. Wanna see myself in the mirror. Oh, it's the season, it's that.
Today I am going to be vlogging my full weekend today and tomorrow because today is my cousin's birthday, and so we're gonna be doing some stuff. He has a football game, and he's gonna have dinner at Colby's. And if you don't know what Colby's is, that is where they like throw food in your mouth. I'm so excited and stuff. And then tomorrow I think I might go to the movies with my friend. So after dance, I have dance tomorrow too. But today is a no dance day, so that's great. So I can actually do things. It's my only free day. Anyways, I look rough, but I'm gonna go make me some breakfast. I have no idea what I'm gonna make, but yeah, I'm gonna make me some breakfast, and then we can get ready and all that stuff. And yeah. Okay, I gotta let my doggies out. One doggy, second doggy, but she likes to stay in her crate a lot. Okay, I'm deciding to make some eggs, bacon, and toast. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna make. Okay guys, I'm very happy with this. I have bacon, eggs, toast, butter on it, and then got me some apple juice. So this looks really good. I'm about to eat this up. And yeah, and then we'll like sit for a little bit, and then we can get ready. I literally devoured all of this up. Now I'm probably gonna just watch some TV and then go get ready. Okay, I put my outfit on. I never put my outfit on like before I put my makeup on, but I'm just gonna wear my robe and stuff because I just don't want to be sitting in my robe. But yes, I'm gonna put my robe on before, and I'm gonna put on some makeup because my face is looking a little bit rough today. But we're gonna make it better and fix the hair too, because it's definitely looking really better right now. Alright, I'm ready to go. Let's go. Okay, the game was good. They won. We are back at their house. We have a little bit of time because I think it's like around like 3 something, and we have reservations at 5 maybe, or is it? Yeah, I think it's like 3:30, or I don't know, but we have reservations at 5 at Colby's, so we have a little bit of time, so we're just gonna like sit here and like stuff like that until we go to dinner, and I will see you guys then at dinner. We're here.
I've been stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays. Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night, so I could dream about you tonight. Truth is, I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up. Truth is, I just wanna truth is, I just wanna
Guys, the food is really good. Now we're headed back home. Okay, guys, I am back home. It was a long day today. Kobe's was so fun. Like, wow. I am like so like impressed. Like you can only get like get in with a reservation, and so we had a reservation. So it was really nice. And then the car wash that we went through had like what is it? Like a haunted like area that you could go through, and there was like, as you guys saw, I put the clip in, but that's cool. Like I've never like seen like a car wash do that before, like has like done something kind of that like onto like the Halloween theme. So that was really cool. Today was just a cool fun day. They won at the football game. I don't know if I told you guys that. That was nice. So it was a pretty fun day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, guys. I just got in the shower. I have to get ready for church, so we need to put some makeup on so we can get ready for church.
Don't you think like that?
Okay, I am back from church. We have to pick my mom up from the airport. She has been in Washington, D.C. for a business trip. So we have to go pick her up in 30 minutes or so. So as right now, I might change. I don't know, this is kind of comfy, this dress. It's really cute. It's very comfy. But I'm gonna do my laundry because I need to get that done. So that is what I'm gonna do for now, and then I'll come back to you guys whenever we're gonna go pick up my mom. Okay guys, we're about to go pick up my mom from the airport, and then we're gonna come back home and I'm gonna get ready for dance.
You won't go fooling me twice now, baby. I'm sorry, that's the way it is. You won't go fooling me twice now, baby. I'm sorry, that's the way it is. You won't go fooling me twice now, baby.
Alright guys, whenever I got home after picking my mom up, I literally took a big nap because I was tired. And then now it's time to go to dance, so I changed. And I also took off my makeup because I was looking it rubbed off. But yeah. Hey guys, it is a few hours later. I came back home from dance, and I just chilled. But I was just at home for the rest of the time and stuff, and I kind of forgot to film because it was literally just me being kind of bored and stuff, and just on my phone and stuff. But yeah, anyways, I will be ending this video off right here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I had fun yesterday. I also had fun today. Today was kind of more chill than yesterday. But hey, some days are like that, and not every day is I'm busy. Some days I'm just it's just a chill moment. Some days are even chiller. I'm just sitting at home the whole day. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this weekend of my life, and I will see you guys next week or sometime soon. Bye.